What's going on, boys and girls? So basically today I'm gonna do something that I never thought I would do, and that is put a factory exhaust back on my Jeep. I did not cut the factory exhaust off of this Jeep. I bought it like this and I hate it. It sounds like a goddamn Honda Civic, and we can't be having that. We can't be rolling around town. People will be like, oh, what was that? What was that? Was that a Honda Civic? And then they're like, oh my god, that was a Jeep Gladiator? You can't even imagine how I feel. Every day I drive to work and I just imagine someone's making fun of me, so we can't have that. So come along with me today and we're gonna get this thing all done up right. Well, we had to stop in Lapeer to make a little pit stop at the Old Mancino's. I ate here yesterday, but it was so good that I have to eat here again. Alright, so we got the exhaust. And it's time to run home and probably throw her on. I just picked it up at JC Automotive here on Dort Highway. You gotta love this place. It's really one of a kind. But anyway, so he said it came off a 2022 Jeep Gladiator. It had like 5 miles on it. It was like a factory takeoff deal, something they did. And I'm real happy about it. It cost me 150 bucks, so you can't complain too much about that, boys and girls. So we're gonna go home, probably throw this bad lad up on the hoist, and hopefully get her going. So hopefully it quiets her right up. Quiets her right up. So I'm just trying to map out where everything is going to line up, and I think the front part of the exhaust that I just got is going to hook up here, and then back in here somewhere I'm going to have to weld it together. But so that takes away some of my worries, because I thought that they cut this piece out here, so that's going to make things a little easier than I thought. Alright, so what I think I'm gonna do is get the front part of the exhaust with the mufflers and the resonator on there. I'm gonna get that bolted up, and then what I'm gonna do is get the tailpipe end put up in there as well, and hopefully nothing goes wrong. Whoops. 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 Whoopsies. Okay. Hey Tom, I can always go to dinner. Right now I'm welding, believe it or not. Well, if you want to buy me dinner again, then I'm patching up this exhaust work. It looks fucking good. Yeah, let me get with you here in about an hour. Okay. 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 Bye. Alright guys, so as you can tell, this thing is as quiet as a freaking kitty cat. Yeah. Like a gosh dang library now. This thing's about as quiet as a little owl just flapping its wings through the night. Okay? No more showing up to Walmart and everybody thinking I'm a Honda Civic, or no more showing up to work and people making fun of me, telling me that I sound like a spaceship. None of that. None of that. We're quiet now. We can sneak around, drive through cornfields. Farmers won't even know. No. We're as quiet as a freaking little kitty cat, and nimble as a kitty cat too. So yeah, you can't mess with this. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. It turned out really good. The welds could be better. I'm not much of a welder myself. I'm not going to show you that part of the project. You did see me welding, but it turned out good. It's nice and quiet now. I can relax while I'm driving it. It's like driving a luxury car now. So I'm happy with how it turned out. So peace, dogs. We'll catch you in the next one. Like, follow, subscribe, comment, do whatever you gotta do to keep me motivated. So we'll see you guys.